Yet another blow has been dealt to businesses and entertainment hotspots as restrictions go into effect from 10 p.m. Tuesday. It was a much looked forward to Christmas season to capitalize on a few extra dollars lost during the extended lockdown period. However, Prime Minister Dr. Keith Mitchell, during his national address Monday night, says health is more than a few dollars.
Therefore, effective December 15, 2020, all social gatherings, including weddings and funerals, will be restricted to 10 persons. Permission must be sought for any additional numbers. It is recommended that all sporting, cultural, and community-based events should be postponed for the next 7 days. Furthermore, also effective December 15th, business operation must cease at 10 p.m., except for those businesses that offer essentials services. Daytime operations will continue as normal. Therefore, there is no need to engage in panic buying, exposing ourselves unnecessarily to situations that can enable the potential spread of that disease. Restaurants should provide only takeaway service, and public transportation will stop at 10 p.m., except where authorized by the Commissioner of Police to transport essential workers.
Prime Minister Mitchell reiterated that his preference is not another lockdown of the country. However, this will depend on the level of compliance and cooperation from the general public. The recent cluster signals that it cannot be business as usual.
Our level of compliance with the new regulations will determine our next course of action. That is, whether or not we have to escalate those measures. Government, therefore, appeals for the full cooperation of all concerned. A nationwide shutdown is not a preferred option. We must all work together to avoid this. It is important that we continue to maintain the balance between protecting lives and saving livelihoods without having to resort to another period of lockdown. Therefore, government has identified a number of short-term adjustments to the COVID-19 protocols to enable healthcare officials to intensify their surveillance, monitoring, and all other necessary actions to prevent the situation from escalating.
The Prime Minister assured the nation that the present situation is alarming but is under control. 13 persons in a single household have tested positive with the virus, which according to the PM could be replicated or based on the number of staff infected. To date, over 400 people have been tested, with some results still pending. The country now has 40 active cases, with the possibility of that number increasing. Chrislina John, GBN News.